Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how you can join the pre-release program for Adobe. So all you need to do is you just have to look for Adobe Prerelease. You can just Google that, and if I open the pre-release program, it will take me to the sign-in page. So I am already logged in on the pre-release program, and the view will be like this. If you're not logged in, it will ask you to sign in. So you just have to sign in over here. And if you go to my programs, right now I do not have any program, and if you look for available programs, you will find all the programs over here. So all you need to do is, like, for example, let's try to join the pre-release program for Adobe InDesign. So if I click on join, it will take me to the next page, wherein, like, if you have not set up your screen name, then you may have to do that. So I just click on continue, and now it will take me to this the end user license agreement page. So all you need to do is you just have to click on that. It will open the end user license agreement. If you want, you can just go through that, and it will explain everything about the pre-release program. Now if I go back and I just click on accept, now I am a part of Adobe Prerelease program. So it has all the release notes for all the builds which Adobe InDesign team has posted in the pre-release program. So you can see all the pre-release release notes. So earlier we used to download the pre-release builds from this particular page, but now you can download the pre-release build for Adobe InDesign or any other application via Creative Cloud. So I'll show you how you can do that. So now I'm a part of the Adobe pre-release program. So all I need to do now is to go to Adobe Creative Cloud, and I need to sign in with the same email address what I use for the pre-release program. So I'm just trying to open the Adobe Creative Cloud. So if I go over here, so I just logged into the Creative Cloud desktop with the same email address which I use for the pre-release program. Meanwhile, the Creative Cloud is loading. Let me join the Illustrator as well. So I just clicked on Illustrator, clicked on the end user license agreement, and I click on I accept. So once I click on I accept, I will see the pre-release page for Adobe Illustrator. So again, it has some information on the pre-release, and it has the release notes as well. So now if we go back to the Creative Cloud, so it's already loaded. So you can see there is no pre-release tab as of now. So if we go to help and check for updates, so the Creative Cloud will load, and you should be able to see the pre-release tab on the left hand side of the Creative Cloud. So on the pre-release tab, you should be able to see the programs which you have already enrolled for. Right, the Creative Cloud is loaded now, and as you can see, there is a pre-release tab on the left hand side, and it has the pre-release program for InDesign, Illustrator, and InCopy. So this is how you can enroll for the pre-release builds, and most of the bugs, like, they've been tested on the pre-release build, and once the build gets approved, then it will be available for everyone for installation. So if you want to download or use any other pre-release build for any other applications, then this is the same process what you need to follow. Hope this video will help you in getting the pre-release programs on your computer. Thank you. Have a nice day.